founder of Bare Necessities. Today we're going to do a quick DIY make your own toothpaste. Did you know that plastic toothbrushes take about 700 years to disintegrate and actually never fully do? They just break into smaller and smaller pieces of plastic called microplastic. So today we're talking about sustainable dental care. Presumably the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning is brush your teeth. So you could switch your plastic one for a bamboo one. And it's amazing because it's compostable and it just goes back to the earth. If you don't have a bamboo toothbrush accessible to you, you can also simply use a miswak stick or a neem stick. That's quite accessibly priced and available quite easily. Okay, so today for this DIY recipe, you'll need baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oil. So you can use mint to be fresh and minty for the morning. So you will need just equal parts of baking soda and cold pressed coconut oil. So I've just gone ahead and added some baking soda. And now I'm going to add the same measure of coconut oil. As you can see, your bowl looks really beautiful. Just give it a good mix. And now you can add your favorite essential oil. You can add cinnamon and clove, anything that is 100% pure essential oil. People tend to like something fresh and minty for the morning, so that's why I suggested peppermint. Cool. So it just has like a nice little pasty consistency like this. We like to call this the peppermint party toothpaste at Bare Necessities. So I'm going to go ahead and add the mint essential oil. So you can add as much as you like, just a couple of drops. Again, give it a good stir. And you're essentially ready to go. So you just need a little container that you can store it in, and you can basically use it for up to 4 months. Coconut oil is a very temperature sensitive oil, so it might get a little oilier in the summer months and a little bit more firm in the winter months. But don't worry about it, just kind of run it under a tap of hot water or pop it in the fridge if you need for a bit. But go ahead and pour yourself a little toothpaste. There we go. At the end of it, you can have a big container or a small container based on your size. Ready to go.